My name is Hannah Edlon.
My name is Diane Antigua.
My name is Anna Britt.
My name is Ben Rainey.
My name is Dana Tame, and this is Nonviolence International New York.
And we're talking about
gun violence and violence against the LGBTQIA community.
In this context of Pride Month, we at Nonviolence International New York have decided to talk about the ways in which gun violence interacts with violence against LGBTQIA individuals. Despite a relative progress both in terms of human and civil rights, LGBTQIA individuals remain targeted. This violence manifests itself either through slurs, threats, domestic violence, rape, beatings, or even homicides. Over the last few years, groups like HRC
and NCADP have reported the escalation of hate violence against those marginalized communities. By all accounts, trans women of color are a priority at risk. Over the last 6 months, 10 Black trans women were murdered. 8 of those were shot, according to the Human Rights Campaign, and it's not a new phenomenon. Transphobic hate violence
Intersects with the precarity in which trans individuals live and lack institutional protections. Reverend Lewis Mitchell explains, when you have a combination of a society that protects racism, misogyny, and transphobia, it leads to insurmountable odds. This isn't just an issue in Dallas, but an international pandemic.
Trans women, especially Black trans women, face lower rates of employment and housing security than cisgender and even white transgender people. This explains the unstable living conditions they are subjected to. Added to this insecurity is the lack of protection from the state. In some states like Texas, there are no laws protecting trans people from discrimination. Coupled with lax gun control regulations, the state is essentially arming the hateful. With no institutional protections and deleterious living conditions,
those minorities are marginalized, victimized, and not talked about. Ending violence against the LGBTQIA community goes hand in hand with both cultural changes and institutional reform. We would like to highlight the institutional reform connected to our mission statement. First, a federal-wide effort to work towards stricter gun control regulations accompanied by federal protective legal tools, including enlarging anti-discrimination law.
As to the cultural aspect, we as a community have an effort to make in order to ensure
the acceptance of LGBTQIA individuals,
but also their enfranchisement, protection, and valorization.
to find out what you can do as an ally, check out the websites of the Human Rights Campaign, GLAAD, and the Sylvia Rivera Law Project.
Spread the love.